Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off when they asked me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. I ain't even gonna hold it. Man, I thought that it told it.
I ain't even gonna hold you.
And I am back with another video. If you're not subscribed, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the Bougie crew. Because the Bougie way away, period. So you guys, I am wearing Jaleesa's braided wig. This is the tangleless braided wig, boho braids. And my main point about this wig, you guys, is that it's tangleless. So if you've ever had braided wigs and they get tangled a lot, this is not one of those. You can literally just go straight through this wig. It's super duper soft. And it's very, very realistic, you guys. Look at this hairline. Doesn't it look so good? It also has triangle part. If you know me, you know when I get my hair braided, I always get triangle part. So they really came through with the triangle part. I love it so much. It's just super duper soft. And it's tangle free.
Right,
and
you can't tell.
It
looks like this.
So
It looks like this on regular
curl
hair.
these or straighten them however you style them, which you'll see her in the video style them with a small flower. So these are human hair. Baby hairs around the hairline. Super duper soft and realistic, okay? And the back also looks very realistic, which I want to show you guys really quick. This is how the back looks. So nobody would ever really know that this is a wig, you guys. And we also love that option because me, I do not like to sit in the chair and get my hair braided. I would rather just slap on a wig and boom, we have our vacation look very quick and easy, okay? You don't have to worry about your scalp being sore. You don't have to worry about sitting there for hours. It's just already done, okay, you guys? So,
and you don't have to worry about all that glue all on top of your forehead.
Two other looks that I did in this
wig.
Right. And if you're interested, make sure you check out the links below in the description box and let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Enjoy.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas, mad snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Goes hard. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, listen to success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and those times we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block where we were blessed. Life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't try. Tell me, mama, please, why you keep taking all the time?
It sounds like J. Cole.
Riches, listen, this is what you find. Good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Yeah, life.
All good, little bit of it though. I can't stress about no bitches, don't say it so. Cause I'm cooking up at bitches on the kitchen stove. Pop, try the bubble, see the sun, that shit good to go. Old style suave, and I keep every cold. Rose, baby, John Wayne. I bought them yellow stones, let them wait and hey, babe. For the silicone, everybody fake now. Cold, blush down, everything. Same rose gold, dread, talking sweet niggas. Like I'm J. Cole, I can tell her head good before I even know. Bitch, don't tell me that you not. Don't even get it wrong. Let them wait and hey, babe. Silicone, everybody fake now. Bust down everything. Same rose gold, dread, talking sweet niggas. Like I'm J. Cole.
Chinese and them one good ain't niggas safe. My nigga say he faithful. I still got 3 hoes just in case. I can't lie, I used to sip so hard, but still my own. I ain't 300, 6 5 days in the trip. Don't play with me on none of them things. Fucking ass, freaking nigga. Don't need to burn no cum. Don't know how to treat her like the fuck. I all smack your mother. Pussy wet, good ass dick. That's me, so I talk how I want. Save a nigga, who bitch? Good like fucking Superwoman.
He don't wanna be saved, don't save him. That is not my nigga, don't claim him. My twin is how she faded. White boy wasted, chin to save him.
He don't wanna be kept, don't keep him. He don't want to nigga, then he don't keep him. I don't give a fuck.
Same hoes used to wanna be besties. You can get your wig turned like Effie. I don't need insurance cause a bitch can't break me. When I'm coming like pretty your mother, and you know I took it your daddy. Bitch, catch it, look like a discount man. I'm a female type, you know, bitches, I'm showing my titties. I throw on city. I be born these niggas. She come back to me cause you born the nigga. It's a jail. I ain't waiting. I get the nigga, I can't destination. These niggas be crazy. I don't blame him. I'm a dog too long to change him. He don't wanna be saved, don't save him. That is not my nigga, don't claim him. My 20 mixed house, he faded. White boy wasted, chin to tail. I don't wanna be saved, don't save me. You for everybody, nigga, don't claim me. Had a nigga trying to tell me what to do. You ain't my daddy, I'm not your baby. He don't wanna be saved, don't save him. That is not my nigga, don't claim him. My 20 mixed house, he faded. White boy wasted, chin to tail.
He don't wanna be kept, don't keep him. He don't want to nigga, then he don't keep him. I don't give a fuck. He's a hustler, me like Justin Bieber. Go man, go man, go man, go man, go man, go man, go man.
Like that. Like that. That's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful.
What if all I do for my type 2 diabetes